Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we're going to have a craft with me. I wanted to show you what I'm making and doing with these little milk cartons that I got from Ollie's, Dollar General. Oh, we don't remember, but let's make something with them. Alright, so I'm quite sure these are meant for small candies, whatnots. I've been playing around with it, figuring out what in the world I'm doing. I think I've gotten it. So then you peel it back and open it over here, and then you get whatever's in there out. Well, I was thinking about adding them to the boo basket for the girls that I'm making and rolling up the socks and putting them in there. And so I am just going to, yes, you hear this congestion. I'm working myself sick again, of course, as usual. Everything is fine, no worries. So we're going to roll these up. Got another little piece of that plastic. Put them down in here and then seal it up. So I don't understand how this part stays. I guess I could put a piece of Velcro. The directions are absolutely horrible. These are the directions. No, but what? What's happening? I don't even know. I mean, you press it, okay. That's nice, and whatever. I had to just play with it till I figured it out. So I will take you through putting one together. I just wanted to show you what they look like when they're completed. I'll probably put a little label on there and put their names on it, and then they can just come through and open that part and see the socks and get them out. So, let me show you how I figured it out. I had to figure it out. No. Mr. Know-It-All, were these directions helpful at all?
No.
That's what I'm saying. Okay. Just wanted to make sure we were all on the same page. Alright. So, thank goodness I'm a visual learner. I took these two and I folded them up in half because you just don't need that much. Then I cut them off. This helps to cut down on the bulk. Alright, so after you have cut those two, you're going to fold this in, this out. This in, this in, this out, this in, this in, and this in. So anywhere you have a triangle, you want it to come in like a milk carton would do, right? You want to have that. Maybe I'm wrong. We don't know. Just fold them. Fold this down, fold this down. Fold these up, start making a box. So what I did was I just took this and kind of rolled it so that these two half pieces met, and then I put this on top of it and then put this down on top of that. Took the little strip, taped it down. Take this strip, too far over, too far over, too far over. Why is the one that I'm doing on camera the one that isn't going to work for me? That is so fantastic. Okay, well, it's too far over, but we're going to let it be. Then we're going to fold these in and this up, and that's it. It just takes a couple of tries to get it right. That is so fantastic. So I don't like this one, so this one was just practice. I'm going to do another one. That one will go away. We have plenty. So let's go through it again. You want to fold this up halfway, this up halfway, cut those away, okay, so then you're left with this. And you want to fold down this. You want to fold down here. You want to fold this way. Fold this way. Fold this way, fold this, probably have this wrong. I always think I have it wrong. We don't know if I have it wrong. We're trying. Fold this like this, that like that, that like that, that like that, that like that, that like that. Just fold all of those in. Then you're going to take your two short sides and put them on top of each other. Bring this flap over. Hold it all together. Bring this flap up. And then fold that in. I am going to tape this part first. Maybe that will help it to line up better on the bottom. We don't know. We're just trying. Okay. Then we take this. And I just punch down on it. Then I just fold these in like that, and I'm going to put some socks in it. So I'm just trying to get some of the things together and prepared so that when I do the boo baskets, I'm just putting the goodies into the boo baskets, and that's it. We're done. Okay. That one was not perfect either. We're letting it go. Okay? Okay. Let's put their names on these boxes. Guess we'll put their names up here, but I don't want to draw attention to that side. I need to cut this so it looks even. And nobody can tell. Okay? Okay. That's pretty darn cute, if I do say so myself. So I've got 2 of those ready to go. I just need to put their names on it. Let's make another one. So I think I picked these up at Ollie's. I don't know, y'all. I had so many hauls. I have no idea. And you know me. I can't walk from one room to the next and even remember what I'm doing. How am I supposed to remember one of the many hauls that I brought y'all? And we don't know. But after I finish these 4, I want to show you what I've been doing for my craft room. I'm trying to just unpackage all of the things that I've bought that I want to keep and organizing it to the best of my ability. So these are all going to be folded in. This is what we're learning as we're going along. Fold them all in. On the score lines. Okay, then we're going to fold this down, fold this in, fold this down. Make sure all of these are folded. Yes. Okay. Pull in my 2 short ones. Pull up him. Pull up him. Stand it up. Maybe I'll put it on its side. Then, I think that's the easier way to do it, is just get that side done first and then do the bottom. Okay, things we learn. And then it just does like that. And that is just the cutest little thing I've ever seen in my life. So, you could actually make these if you knew the pattern. I'm wondering if I should trace the pattern onto a piece of plain cardstock and then I could just cut it out from other pieces of paper and make them with different designs. I may very well do that. So, these are the socks, I guess you can tell, the socks that I got from Dollar General for $1. Adorable. So we'll just put those in there. Take off the tape. Line it up and stick it. Okay. That's what we got so far. I've got 3. Oh, look, we have polka dots. What? And we have solids. Did anybody know that? I did not know that. Now somebody's going to have a different one. They don't have to if I use that other one. Alright, so I ended up taking that other one that I thought wasn't perfect, and it's fine. I have 4 of these. I'm just going to grab some letters and put the first letter of their names on here. Probably up on this part. So, let me go and find some letters. Alright, so I'm going to use these letters that I got from, we don't know, Michael's. We don't remember. I'm just going to put an A there. A J there. A K there. And a K there. Alright, so that's it for the first craft for the boo baskets that I will be giving to the ladies at work. I appreciate each and every one of you being here. If you haven't gotten these, I'm sure there's a tutorial on how to cut cardstock into the right shape to make these somewhere on YouTube, but these are the ones that I got from either Ollie's or Dollar General. They're part of that American Crafts release, and I just thought, you know, what am I going to do with them? Well, socks. Socks are a perfect thing to put down in these and give as a gift. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. If you subscribe, let me know what state or what country you are from, as I'm trying to have friends all across the United States, and eventually maybe we'll be worldwide. We don't know. We've already got a watcher in Canada and one in Australia, so that's really fun to know. Bye everyone.